In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Safari private browsing. If you've been browsing in private mode and want to return to standard browsing so your history, search suggestions, and website data behave normally, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish. First, open Safari on your device. Give it a second to load your last session. If the address bar or toolbar isn't visible, tap or click once to reveal it. Some views hide the controls while you scroll. Next, look for the settings or options icon in Safari's toolbar, usually close to the address bar. Depending on your device and version, this may look like a small gear, an options button, or a menu icon. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on a regular web page or the tab overview so all the controls are visible. When private browsing is active, you should see a private label or tag near the URL area. This is your visual cue that you're currently in a private session. The interface might also appear darker than usual, which is another sign you're in private mode. Go ahead and select the settings or options icon to open the menu. In this menu, look for the private browsing entry. If private browsing is turned on, you'll see a check mark next to it, confirming that you're in a private session. Select private browsing once to turn it off. The check mark should disappear, and Safari will switch you back to standard browsing. At this point, the interface may brighten to its usual look, and any indicators of private mode will be gone. Keep in mind that private tabs typically close when you exit private browsing, so anything open there won't carry over to regular mode. There's also a quick alternative if you prefer fewer taps. If you see the private tag beside the address bar, select that label directly. When prompted, confirm by choosing OK. This action exits private browsing and returns you to your normal browsing environment. A couple of tips as you finish up. If you still see signs of private browsing after trying these steps, make sure the toolbars are visible and that you're interacting with the correct menu. Also remember that disabling private browsing doesn't retroactively save private history. It simply ensures new activity is handled like standard browsing going forward. That's it, you've successfully turned off Safari private browsing. If this helped, take a moment to review your tabs and continue browsing with your usual history and suggestions restored.